Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will share to you 3 concrete steps that I did to gain 1,000 legitimate subscribers. My name is Nadine. I'm new to YouTube, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please click the subscribe button below to follow my journey on how I grow my channel, because I will be doing a series about my vlogging from how I reach a certain number of subscribers until I grow my channel and get monetized. I really wanted to make this video especially for my friends who are messaging me asking how I started or any tips I have for vlogging. So I made this video for them, for my friends who are interested in vlogging, and also to you, my viewer, who also needs vlogging tips from a fellow small channel or a fellow new vlogger. So on all my videos, you will notice how generous I share my YouTube analytics, because I know how hard it is to find content or to find reference videos on how to actually grow your channel from 0 subscribers to 1,000 subscribers until you get monetized. So please watch until the end of this video. As a new vlogger, I have searched a lot of big channel tips on how to grow your own channel, and I find that their content mostly are inspirational by nature to help you start vlogging and continue committing to it. However, it doesn't really satisfy what I'm looking for, because I wanted a concrete steps on how they really did it. So in this video, I will share to you actual steps that I did and how my analytics look like in every subscriber count that I reach, because that was the type of content I was looking for myself, and I'm hoping that I could help you start your channel and grow your channel. So please subscribe and grow with me, journey with me in vlogging. If you haven't seen my other videos about vlogging, I have posted how I reached my first 100 subscribers here. The link will be in the description box below. And also watch on how I found my niche at 500 subscribers. The link will also be in the description box. So my tip number 1 is to reach out to your family, friends, classmates, office mates, or anyone you know, and subscribe and support your channel. Really, the very first 100 or 50 subscribers that you will have is from people that you know, people that you love, and people that you care about. And these first 50 or first 100 subscribers that you will have are really a solid subscriber, meaning they will be watching your video because they know you, they are interested on what you will be doing or what you will be uploading. So the people you know will really help you to start and get your channel rolling. So how did I reach out to my family, friends, relatives, office mates? I used my Facebook account. I posted my breastfeeding video there. Before I announced to my Facebook profile that I have a channel, I built up a number of videos first. So I think I have around 4 or 5 videos in my channel before I posted in my Facebook profile or in my Facebook status that, hey, I have a breastfeeding video. I hope it can help you, my friends, in increasing your milk supply, and to please share it to someone they know needing help on breastfeeding tips. So actually, when I posted that in my Facebook profile, it was the time that I gained momentum in subscribers, in my number of subscribers. My tip number 2 is to support your fellow vloggers. I have mentioned in my 500 subscriber video that YouTube is actually social networking. What do I mean by this? So how do you support your fellow vloggers? So I go to YouTube, I search about motherhood videos and watch the video, I click like, and I genuinely put my comments there. So I also introduce myself as a mommy vlogger. If she's interested to support me back, then well and good. Another way to support a fellow vlogger is to join groups or vlogging groups. You just go to Facebook and search a mommy vlogger group, or if you're a gamer, you can search gamer vlogs or gamer vlogging. There are a lot of vlogging groups in Facebook. All you need to do is search and try to join their social network. My third and last tip is to upload videos consistently. So for me, I committed to upload at least one video every weekend. I have a full-time day job. I work in a corporate setting that almost requires me to work beyond 5 p.m. So during work days, I don't really have the time to make videos. It's only really during the weekends that I do filming and editing, or during holidays. It's very important to have consistency in uploading videos because this will indicate to your viewers that your channel is active and they will be receiving content regularly from you. If they see your channel as active, they will tend to subscribe. We now go to my YouTube channel analytics with 1,000 subscribers. So as usual, I will walk through with you on how my YouTube channel analytics look like. And I hope you learned something from it. Now I have 1,079 subscribers with 43,000 views in the last 365 days. Please understand that if you reach 1,000 subscribers, it doesn't necessarily mean that you will reach 4,000 watch hours, which is a requirement for you to be monetized. For my channel at 1,000 subscribers, I'm 500 watch hours away from 4,000. So later on, if I reach my 4,000 watch hours, I will share to you my monetization analytics. So in this section, you can choose what time scope you wanted to see. But for now, I will show to you my full 365 days. So the peak number of views that I got was when I posted a video about a review in pregnancy pillow. And my second peak was after I uploaded something about how to cope on morning sickness. And my third peak is when I uploaded 6 videos. So you see, if you upload more videos or if you upload consistently, you will get more views and your chances to get more subscribers will also increase. So in terms of watch hour, let's see, my peak is last January after I uploaded about how to cope up with morning sickness, and I posted also a shorts about Jayco Donuts. Then for subscribers, my peak was when I uploaded how to cope up with morning sickness. So you will see here my niche, right? It's about a self-help on how to cope up with motherhood and pregnancy. So in terms of views by video, my number one peak, you will see I peaked at May. And the most views I had was about my breastfeeding tips. The second peak was in January when I uploaded how to find your niche when I reached 500 subscribers. And my third peak was on February, also driven by the how to find your niche video. So I'm seeing here that my niche is split into two. It's about breastfeeding tips and also about vlogging. So these are my top 5 performing videos in terms of number of views. Let's see my watch time hours in terms of video performance. So my highest peak was on January 2021 with my how to find your niche raking in the most number of hours, followed by my breastfeeding tips. So this tells me that my viewers is more interested on breastfeeding and also on vlogging. So you will see here my top 5 performing videos in terms of number of watch time or watch hour. For me, I think views and watch hour is still the best indicator for your YouTube channel to be a success. Let's now go to subscribers by video. So my peak was, wow, it's also about how to find your niche. I gained 41 subscribers on that last January, followed by breastfeeding tips where I gained 5 subscribers. But overall, in the annual performance, the most number of subscribers I gained was from my breastfeeding tips. And then the second one is how to find your niche. Okay, so this tells me that in my next videos, I should be posting more about breastfeeding and about vlogging. However, I can only post breastfeeding tips after I give birth. See? So for now, my videos will be about pregnancy and also about vlogging. Let's now have a look on my viewers by age. You will see here that 70% of my viewers are from age 25 to 44 years old, which is very logical because I'm expecting that most of my viewers are the same age as me. I'm already 35, and also most of my viewers will be new mothers or mothers, which are usually in this age bracket as well. Lastly, let's now take a look at my channel content. In terms of most views, my top video is about natural breastfeeding tips, followed by natural ways to lose weight, and also about living in Singapore as an expat family. Then, about a routine, my secret hair routine after coloring, followed by how to find your niche. If you take a look at the dates and evaluate it in terms of how many views it gained from the time I posted it, I think the best performing video that I have now is on how to find my niche at 500 subscribers. Because I posted that video just 2 months ago and it's already at 2,300 views. It's half of the number of views of my natural breastfeeding tips, but my natural breastfeeding tips was posted 9 months ago. So in terms of comparing number of views within a short period of time, my best performing is the how to find your niche at 500 subscribers. Oops, there's my son. Hello! Say hello! So he just woke up. Say hello! Hello everyone! Thank you for watching until the end. Please subscribe, like, and share this video to your family and friends. See you next week!